Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can draw a realistic eyes. I tell you some basic things, whatever you have to follow. If you are beginners, then this video will definitely gonna help you. So let's see. Let me draw the outline here as quickly as possible. Our sketch is ready. Here I took 4B pencil for eyes dark portion. I'll start middle of the eye. Do not shade with pressure. Now I'm going to use blending stamp. If you don't have blending stamp, then you can use cotton cloth. Or you can use makeup brush or watercolor brush. I request to you, please watch full video. If you think this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel.